Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, VoNailz Academy. Today I will be showing you how to create the foundation for your press-on nail set, which will be the shape and the builder gel that will be the strength of the nail. Today I have an order for springtime. If you don't know what springtime looks like, I will insert a photo. And today she will be receiving a thank you letter with her order. We do have the old logo on the paper, and we do have the old logo on the press-on nail box. But as we run out of inventory, we will be introducing the new logo. And as you know, we are moving on from Etsy. I'm working on the website right now, and we no longer advertise that on our logo. So stay tuned. The website looks very nice. Thank you to Wix.com. I'm loving the platform, and I just really am excited for you guys to see it. And you can also see a sneak peek on my Instagram, vo_nails with a Z. Check it out. The website will be coming hopefully early January or mid-January. We want to take our time and present a great website that's easy to navigate, where you can see these custom press-on nail sets. And you can also see the previous video I did for that set. They want oval. They would like the size medium, and they'd like for the set to be shiny. So I'm going to go ahead and go for the stiletto press-on tips. And I was thinking about doing these, but I'm not going to do the ballerina. Those are for if people would like more of an extreme taper. But she asked for oval, so I don't think she would. I'm not using the square because I really do believe that with the stiletto tips, and they're not really stiletto, they're like almost in the shape of it, because stiletto is more tapered, but it gives it a great foundation to start off from. It's already curved, and you'll see how I shape it into oval later on in the video. Okay, so I don't know what happened to the audio, but unfortunately I am going to have to do a voiceover. And the first thing I wanted to show you guys was how I actually align my press-on tips to ensure that they stay in the right order. First, we're going to see the left and then the right hand. Excuse me, right first and then the left. Is kind of confusing because I'm upside down. But here is the thumb. I'm bringing it to the pointer, and then we're going to bring it all the way around to the pinky. That is the right hand. Going to the left hand is the thumb again, index finger, all the way around to the pinky. I am using a 100-180 grit file. I'm going to start by buffing and shaping the nails. These are stiletto nails, so they are more pointed. They're kind of oval, which is to my advantage. So I'm just going to start shaving off the tip and the sides and just start working around to get it into that oval shape. And that's the packaging for the blue stick. I just threw it in there, so sorry. I just wanted to let you guys know what it looked like, because I actually did forget where I got it from. It was a little while ago. I stocked up heavily because it took me a moment to actually find this in person. I really didn't want to order it online when I first started my business, so yeah. and I'm gonna go into it and speed this up for you guys. Really quick, I wanted to show you them side by side and what they looked like when they first come out of the package went towards when you buff and shape the nails. They're shiny, they are just standard, and you can see that I shaped and buffed them into oval. I really do. I know I say that a lot. I really do. But I think that when you create press-on nails, you should buff the bottom layer to create more of a foundational base to stick the gel to. When I first started, I didn't buff my base, and the nail polish, the gel polish, it was chipping. Not chipping, it was peeling. Excuse me. And I really couldn't understand why. This is my IBD hard gel. I was using something different and I recently transitioned to this maybe a month or two ago, and I absolutely love it. I do have a brand new one. I love brand new ones. They're so clean, and I always forget what it looks like when it first comes in the package. I love opening new inventory and opening new packages, so I'm really going to be excited for that. Right here, I am adding one base layer of gel. I'm going to go ahead and use my old one because I still have it, but I'm also going to use it for the designs as well. But like I was saying, I'm doing one base layer, and the reason I'm only doing one base layer is because I am going to be encasing it, and I will get a little into that later on. And cure this into your lamp for about 60 seconds, maybe a minute and a half. I'm going to do it for both hands, and coming into this next hand, I'm showing you my old gel. It has little sediment at the bottom, and I'm going to use that for the flowers that I'm going to put into the nail. But for right now, I'm finally opening the new gel. I've been really waiting to use this, and I'm so happy that this was the set that I was able to open it on. So now I'm showing you the dried flowers that I saved from the last set I did with springtime, and I think you should always save your materials because you're going to have to do another set and you don't want to buy more products than you would need to. This was bought off of Amazon, and these are the two flowers I used. The links will be in the description. And finally, here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, this is going to be our slip layer. We're going to do one thin coat of gel, but we are not going to cure it. We are going to start placing the flowers into the gel once I'm done coating them. It does not need to be thick. This is only so that they will stick to the nail. And as you saw what I'm putting in, you can use anything for this. This is why we're only using one base layer, because the flowers are going to be thick and you're going to want to coat over them in a layer of gel to get them to be smooth and worn. finally figured out how to get that clicking out. I was actually pressing the button too soon. But as you can see, I am now placing the flowers into the wet base slip layer. And this is going to help me position the flowers as well as, what am I saying? Oh, place the flowers as well as keep them in place, because that's what the slip layer is for, is so they won't fall back off of the nail. The sticky layer after you cure is not enough to place the nails down. And I'm going to go ahead and cure this each for about a minute and a half in my UV LED lamp. Cure that one, and then we come back. And I'm going to be putting a gel layer over this. This is so that once we cure this, the nails will be smoother. We're filling in the crevices between the flowers, and we just want to make sure that everything is going to be encased, and you shouldn't feel it after you do about 2 to 3 overcoats. And I'm going to show you what the overcoats are going to look like. Okay, this is the last nail that I'm going to be doing, and this is, don't forget, our encapsulation coat. Do not cure this coat before you complete the next step, which is the glitter. So this is filling in the space of the flowers so that you don't feel any bumps. And then before you cure it, you need to sprinkle some glitter into that layer of gel while it's wet. And then after you put as much glitter as you want into it, then you can cure. If you have seen my previous video, then you already know I've done this set. I just really wanted to insert quickly. The purpose of this video is to just show you how to create press-on nails with designs in them. So I was already doing this order, and I wanted to make another video for content for you guys. And this will not be the only video I upload this month because it is practically a duplicate. I just really wanted to show you guys how to create a solid foundation and a solid base for designs that will have objects inside of them. I don't want you guys to feel cheated, and I don't want you guys to feel like I'm just giving you the same thing over and over. Here we're coming into our last step, our most important step, our no wipe top coat. Here's what it looks like when it is finished and placed inside the packaging. I am going to add a cuticle stick to this. Then I'm going to put the filler on top so that nothing moves inside of the packaging. I'm going to cover it up and look for my logo stickers to place one on. This one is damaged, but I just wanted to show you guys that you ran me out. I'm using a brand new one to stick on, and these are, like I disclaimed earlier, our old logo stickers. Soon we'll be inputting our new ones. This is my gorgeous packaging. I'm also going to add a prep nail kit, which comes with some stickers that you can use to place your nails on. It comes with an alcohol pad and a buffer. And then I'm going to add the letter. Throw that in there. And I haven't done this before, but I decided to add an extra element. And I almost didn't, I almost forgot, but here it comes. Isn't that so cute? So I just cut some off and I stuffed it inside of the envelope, and I thought that would be so cute to have inside for once you open your packaging. And I'm going to use different colors, and I'm going to actually keep this into my steps, and I really thought it was really cute. Now this set is ready to be shipped off. Thank you so much for the order, and thank you so much for you guys' support. We're at 130 subscribers. Thank you guys so much, and happy Thanksgiving. In the spirit of giving thanks for everything I've been able to accomplish this year, for Thanksgiving, my Etsy shop will be 20% off. You get to save $5, and each set will be $20 with free shipping included. I didn't want to exclude anything because my shop is small and we are working on building. And happy Black Friday and Cyber Monday. With an extra 5% off, you will be able to purchase any set in my shop and save $6, and each set will be $18.75. This will last until Cyber Monday is over. So congratulations to me for the success. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and enjoy your discounts.